In today's video, I will walk you through how to change the time zone on Bitfinex. Changing the time zone on Bitfinex allows timestamps throughout the platform to match your local time, making it easier to track your trading activity, order history, and account events. Once you're on the main dashboard, open your account menu by clicking your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. From the account menu, go to Date and Time Settings. Inside the time zone setting, click the current time zone to open the list of available options. Bitfinex provides a variety of time zones based on cities and UTC offsets, allowing you to choose the one that best matches your location. Scroll through the list or use the search function if it's available to quickly find your preferred time zone. Once you've located the correct option, click to select it. You can also change the date format if you like. After making your selection, click the Save Changes button to confirm your new time zone setting. Once the update is complete, you may notice that timestamps across the platform are refreshed to reflect the selected time zone. This includes your order history, trade history, deposits, withdrawals, and other account activities. And that's how to change the time zone on Bitfinex.